Hello friends, I welcome all of you to once again on my YouTube channel CF Sheikh Sharma. So our today topic is very important, that how can we change our password. Suppose we forget our password on income tax portal, so how can we change it? So basically there are three different options, but although there is a four also, but today we will discuss only three. So what are these options and how can we change the password? So let's see it. So first of all, you have to log in onto the incometax.gov.in, then login. In login section, what we have to do, first of all you have to fill your password or fill your PAN number, sorry, then continue. Then here it will ask you forget password section. If you know the password, so definitely you can log in into it, but if you don't know the password, then you have to click on forget passwords. Again you have to mention your PAN number. After that, here you can see there are three options. First, the OTP number registered with Aadhaar. If your Aadhaar is linked with your PAN number, so it is very good, very simple, easy, very simple method. You have to click on it, OTP will be come on your mobile, and then fill it and then set the password. If you are using e-filing OTP, means if you have a phone number and the email ID which is already registered on your PAN ID, so it will bring you there, and you have to fill the OTP. Two OTPs, one OTP you will receive on your mobile number, second on your registered mail ID. Then you can reset the password. Third option is digital signature. So as we know that from January 2021 the only class 3 DSC is applicable. So now you have to click here. So today we will discuss that how can we reset our password with the help of digital signatures. So click on continue. If you have your DSC already registered on income tax portal, so you will use the existing DSC, either it is class 2 or class 3. Okay, if you are a new user and first time you are using your DSC, so you have to select on DSC, continue, select. Now important point, now after that you sometimes most of the user are facing problem related to e-signing problems. How can we resolve it? So very simple, easy, very simple method. Click here, e-signer utility. It will bring you to the eMudra mBridge portal. Let's see, host name is valid. So definitely what you have to do, go to Google, type mBridge, okay. If you are a Windows user, so you have to click here, it will download on your system, then install it. Once you install it, what you have to do, you have to check whether my mBridge is running or not. So how can we check it? Very important process. How can we check it? So very easy. First of all, go to Windows section, type mBridge, okay, click on it, run as administrator. Okay, so this window will be open. So here you can see if it is showing running, it means your mBridge is working on your system. Sometime it's happen if you install it first time, it will showing status stopped. So how can we resolve this query? Because until it is running, it is stopped, you can't register your DS, you can't change your password. So window R, type services MSC, one window will open. Go to E section, E alphabet. Here you can see mBridge. Right click and click on start button. Once it is start, status will be changed from stop to running mode, and then refresh. After that, plug your DSC on your system, click on continue. Then here you can see first, then one pop-up will open, it is related to a DSC. Select this, then enter the DSC password, whatever the password is related to a DSC, then sign. After that, once it verify your identity, it will bring you a set new password. then fill the new password and then click on submit, and then your password will be updated. So this is the very simple process that you can change your password. So what are the 3 steps? One is Aadhaar, second is DSC, and third is your registered email ID and mobile numbers. So guys, I hope this this video resolve your problem to change the password or forget your password. So we'll meet again with more interesting video. Next video would be on the how can we link our Aadhaar on the income tax portal. Thank you so much guys.